Now, if we say subquery in where clause, so we can see over here we have outer query, and in this outer query under this where clause condition we have this subquery in this parenthesis. Okay, if we run this subquery first, so what we will get? We are getting category ID. What this SQL query is doing, select category ID from category table where category name is in this list. Okay, so if we use select star from this table, you can see we have category IDs and this many category names. Okay, out of all this list we are just looking for category names, these three. Okay, and this subquery is just returning category ID. So we are getting a list of three category IDs, 1, 2, 3. This category IDs would be provided to this outer query in his where clause. So for products we have where clause category ID in these three category IDs. If we run this one, we are getting around 167 rows. Okay, if we apply this category IDs 1, 1, 2, 3, we should get same number of rows, 167. Okay, so what we did over here, rather than providing these hard-coded values, we are using subquery to get those values dynamically. Now, subquery in from clause. Over here, select star from. There is no any table name provided. We are directly providing this subquery, and this subquery we are providing the alias name as a category by price. So if we run this one, we are getting some records. Okay, with category ID and total price, because we are doing category ID and sum of product price, and for this sum of product price we have provided a alias total price. That's the reason here we are getting total price, and it is again grouped by category ID. Now this is the result of your subquery. Okay, and your outer query we have added one more condition: total price should be greater than 1000. And when we run this query we are getting 8 records. In summary, you just have to understand we can use subquery in from clause rather than providing the table name. Okay, now next, subquery in select clause. Again we have provided this subquery. If we run this subquery we are getting some value. Okay, that is your sum of product price from products table. Okay, so if we see what is there inside this product table, so in product table we have product ID, product name, company, category, manufacturing, and product price. So we are just doing the sum of this product price. Okay, now forget about this subquery. Okay, and just focus on this outer query. What is this outer query? Select star from category table. So we are getting category values, that is category ID and category name. If we want one more column, total product price, in that case we can use this subquery, and if we apply, we're getting total price. So in summary, over here you just have to understand that we can use subquery in select clause. Now let's move to nested subquery. As we discussed in our session, in case of nested subquery, we are having child subquery, we are having parent subquery, we are having outer subquery. Your outer query is depend on your subquery, and your subquery is depend on your child subquery. That's the reason we are calling it as a nested subquery. Okay, if we run this particular SQL statement, we are getting all the category IDs. Now in your parent subquery, we are calculating average product price with condition as a product ID should be in this list. And if we run this one, we are getting average product price. This average product price should be less than the product price of product in product table, and that's the reason here we have a query select star from this product, where product price should be greater than this average product price. Okay, so we can see here we are getting all the products. There are 109 rows which are matching with the product price which is greater than average product price. Okay, now next part is correlated subquery. So as we discussed earlier, in case of correlated subquery, our subquery is depends on outer query, and that's the reason over here for this particular table we have provided alias outer product table, and in subquery we have where clause with condition like category ID of inner table should match with the category ID of outer table. Okay, and once this gets match, we will get mean product price from inner table, that is again we are using product itself, and whatever the inner product price value would be there, that price we are just matching with the product price of outer table. Okay, so if we run this one, we are getting 17 rows. So that's it for this particular video.
So enjoying this video? Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.